everyone, what's going on? I'm Ben, your agent. Thank you for joining me this week. 66 of my journey, real estate, not easy, what I need to do now. In this video, I will be very transparent with you. I will share with you a couple of things I'm doing in order to stay active and alive full time with real estate. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Ben, your agent with eXp Realty, Aguilar Realty Group. I'm so excited for those that are here. Welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, please feel free to hit the subscribe to follow my real estate journey and where I give great buyer and seller tips and tricks. Well, this market has been super crazy since I started a year, and it's about a year and 8 months now. I think I can say I started at the hardest time. And ever since I started, you guys been with me, you've seen. And just to be transparent with you guys, I got one buyer till last year and 4 renters last year. So total of, 5. So this week, exciting news, so grateful. Praise Yah, I got a seller listing and it is located here in La Puente, California. And we will be listing it on the market really soon for $885 for a 3-bed, 2-bath plus an ADU permitted. So if you're interested, please comment below. I'll give you the info. But man, it's been tough, and for those that are starting in real estate, just watching this, you've heard it in my other channel. It's not easy. And when I started, I had some savings. To get me through all the way till now. And I want to share with you guys, a lot of my savings is almost over. So what I need to do to stay active in real estate is get some side gigs. So I want to share with you a couple side gigs that I'm doing now. Number one, it's called Roadie. Roadie, R-O-A-D-I-E. It is actually a delivery service company by Home Depot. And they actually give you the opportunity to deliver, sort of just like Uber Eats. And you're able to pick things up from Home Depot and other places, businesses that need delivery service. So that's number one. Number two is called Shipt. S-H-I-P-T. Shipt is really cool. It's a shopping, grocery shopping, and I've been able to do that. That's been really, really fun. I gone to Target. I gone to food place. No, not food places. Sorry, I've been to Michael's. I've been to what other places? Vaughn's to deliver flowers, and yeah, it's been really cool doing that as well. If you want any information for any of these side gigs that I'm telling you about, I'm going to put it in the description below, and it's a referral code, so it'll help you out. Third one is called Clear Capital. Clear Capital, it's a side gig for real estate agents. So you're able to take property data collection information and help appraisers out. So I'll go to different homes, take pictures, collect data about the house and the owner, and send it to Clear Capital, and that's another side gig. And number four is a pretty cool thing that I've been doing as well, which is Showami. Showami is a really good opportunity for new agents and those that need the side gig money to do showings, either for buyer agents or selling agents. So all those gigs has been really helping me to stay afloat, stay active in my real estate career. And to this day, I'm really grateful to do all of them. till this day. It's been really fun, and I'm excited about this new listing I have. I hope you guys can find me a buyer if there's a buyer out there, and I'm really excited to help this client right here today. So hope you guys are doing well in your business and your life and your relationships. I hope you have a blessed one. Yah bless you, and see you on the next video. Take care now.